In this video, I will show how to get missing local security policy in Windows 10 or 11. So search this page for website and copy and paste this link or click here. Now download it. Now save. Now double click on it. If this method not work, so try another one. One notepad. Now copy this code. Paste here. File and save as. Give any name. Extension .bat. Save as type all files. Then save it. Now right click on it and run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. You can get this code from here, this website page. Copy and paste. You will see the operation completed successfully. Press any key to continue. Now restart your system. So this is the two way you can enable local security policy. Thanks for watching.